Account Manager simplifies the license assignment process, ensuring effective utilization of Copilot Truck and MileOn across your fleet, regardless of the asset type. An asset can refer to the people or equipment you use to run your business. For example, a driver using a company-owned or personal device, or an in-cab device mounted in a vehicle. In this video, we will review how to add single users or vehicles, as well as how to add multiple assets with a bulk upload. Let's begin. Adding a single user or vehicle asset. Select Assets in the left menu of Account Manager. The Assets page loads. This page allows you to see app license information, including what devices or users they are assigned to, and a list of your existing assets. Click the Add Asset button. The Add Asset dialog window loads. Enter the username or vehicle ID in the Username Vehicle ID field. This is the only required field. If applicable, complete the email, first name, last name, and phone number fields. Adding an email address will trigger an invitation to be sent out with installation instructions. In the Assign column, select the checkbox next to the license name to assign it to your asset. The number in the Available column shows how many licenses are available to distribute. Click the Add Asset button to save your asset and license assignment. The Asset Added confirmation window appears. Adding multiple assets. You can also add multiple assets at one time by uploading a CSV file. Click the Import button on the Assets page. The Import dialog window opens. Click Download CSV template and review the example data. Create a new CSV file. Use the template file as a guide to format your data. Click Select File to browse your drive to locate the CSV file. You can also drag and drop your CSV file into the Import dialog window. Click the Import button. The Assets list populates with the contents of your CSV file. You have completed the Adding Users and Vehicles training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.